Okay, we were at the SU camp at Nuekini in Port Harcourt. That started on the 30th of July. And of course, I did go with my children because I was disposed. And when we arrived at the camp, it got to our notice that they needed medical services. And as a medical doctor on ground, I had to volunteer to serve. Of course, I thought it was going to be minor cases and just few things. I didn't know it was going to be something serious. So to my greatest surprise, in fact, my greatest surprise, we had over 10 emergencies that we needed to resuscitate them, and of course gave the necessary medical care, and to the glory of God, they all recovered. We needed not to move any of our patients out of the camp. In fact, they recovered the following day, most of them before the following day. Some of them, even after receiving treatment, they could join the session and still participate. And of course, we had over 100, honestly, because this is a camp that we had close to 1,000 children in attendance. Okay, so we had over 100 patients, over 100, yes, over 100, over about 130 something, 150 something patients. Okay, so the point is this, that we were there, we managed both with medical knowledge and spiritual backup, that's by prayer. But because some of them, in fact, when a patient mentions that some of the patients that collapsed shared that prior to her collapsing, prior to the incident, that the patient will always see someone appear to her, and after which she would collapse. So of course, that kind of case, you agree with me that you don't just manage it with your medications. Okay, but that is it. God helped us. We managed all our patients, and they all recovered, and to the glory of God, we returned. Unfortunately, I didn't remember to make a video, which I planned to, because I had all I needed there, but I forgot. I didn't even remember to take a picture. But thank God to Dr. Comfort that did take one or two pictures of me, and that is what I'm using to do this now. So to the glory of God, God helped us, and I thank God for the medical team. Thank God for Dr. Ono Wuru, Famsi Onyinye, and every other person in the medical team, Sonia, all the mamas that were on ground, the nurses. I appreciate their efforts. I'm just grateful to God for a successful children camp at Nuekini. And to the glory of God, lives were changed, lives were transformed. I wish I did a video, but unfortunately.